Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I will be showing you how you can add your hotel in different branches or different locations. For example, in this, we have our hotels in Rome, Berlin, New York, and London. So, how you can add your own branch or delete them? You can select all and delete them, or you can just keep it and add a new. So let's add our hotel USA. So this is a branch where you will be able to add only the hotels that are available from USA. So once you add all the details and publish it, we can see that Hotel USA has been added in the branches. So now let's create a new page so that we can add our only the hotel rooms that are for the USA branch. Let's create a branches page, our branches page. Okay, so in this page we will be showing all the hotels that we have in different branches. So then go to backend editor, add element, text element. Let's add a big title like our hotels in different branches. Alright, so we have just added a big text. Let's make it more bigger. On the center, let's add some spacings and correct it. Okay, alright, our text has been added. Let's add different branches. So how to do it? Go to room. Now you can see if you tap in the room, you will get add-on like rooms, add rooms, post grid. Click on it. Then you will need to specify the layout. Let's keep it 1. Let's make it 100%. Add quantities. For example, if your hotel location like USA has more than 10 to 20 rooms, you can keep it 10 to 20, or if you just want to show only 3 to 4, you can keep it 4. Then finally you can change the order and order by different tags. Then you will need to add room ID if you want to show only the 4. But if you don't want to show and you want to show only the branches, for example, Hotel USA, this is the branch where we will be showing all the hotels from the USA. Click on save. Let's add a text. Let's add a text which says only the USA branches, right? Our hotels in USA. Alright, let's save it, publish it. So what we have done is we have created a branch, we have created a page, and the page shows only the rooms of USA. Now let's go ahead and change the hotel room, and let's change the branch to Hotel USA. So Hotel USA is the branch that we will be now changing. Okay, this is the branch we have just created. Click on it and save it. Once you have updated, let's see if this room will come to USA branch or not. Okay, our hotels in USA branch, and yep, this hotel room has been added in the USA branch. Let's try to add other hotels. Let's go back and remove them from the trash. Okay, so I'm just removing them from the trash and restoring. Now let's create more. For example, this, copy it up, and yeah, so let's copy them. So let's change this to Rome. Okay, first will be the Rome, second will be the Berlin, let's see if we can get the hotel rooms from Rome and Berlin. Change the branch to Rome and change the branch to the Berlin. Let's try to save and refresh it. Now you can see this is an hotel from USA, this is an hotel from the Rome, and this is the hotel room from the Berlin. So like this you can add multiple hotels from different locations and add their rooms. Thank you.